to my channel. This is Leslie, and today we have an unboxing of, what do we have, Ava?
A box.
We have Kidpik. It's a box for you, right?
Right.
Okay, so this is Ava. And how old are you, Ava?
5.
Ava is 5, and she's going to unbox what she's got in her Spring 2018 Kidpik. So let's take a look. So what we've got, we have some tissue paper and a sticker. Okay.
So I'm gonna look.
Ooh, look at this.
What's in here?
We went for the free prize. What's in there?
Ooh, I love what.
Ooh, it's a smiley face necklace. Look at that. It's shiny. You like that? That's your free gift.
Yeah.
They always have a free gift, it seems, in every single box. What's that? A pretty headband? So what is that?
A headband.
So that's the diamond headband in the color Desert Flower. And look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And this is $9.50, or the keep all price is $6.65. Okay, now you can do the shoes. Oh, I think this is, these shoes, there might be a, oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Look at those. Those are some shiny, silvery sneakers. Do you like those?
Yeah.
Those are pretty cute. Those are pretty awesome. I'm feeling these. These are cute. And these are Super Shine sneakers in silver. And they are $29.50, or the keep all price $20.65.
Do they shine?
They do shine. Look at that.
Do they light up?
They don't light up.
Oh.
They just are very shiny.
Oh.
Okay, so one at a time. What's that?
A shirt.
It's a shirt that says Girl Power. Hold on.
Girl Power.
GRLPWR. Girl Power. Okay, first we're going to tell them how much the Girl Power shirt is. That is Girl Power Tee, light heather gray, and it is $17.50, or the keep all price is $12.25. Okay. Now what's that? That's a black, it looks like a black Henley shirt. That's kind of like, do you like that? What do you think of that? Alright, so this is the rib snap tee in black. And the price is $12.50, or the keep all price is $8.75. And look at that in the around the neck, so you can snap it or not, and it's all black. And it's kind of springish. It's not heavy, it's light.
Now let me do.
Okay. So this is the trimmed hoodie in fiery coral. I like that. Let's see that. It's a hoodie sweatshirt. You like that, Ava?
Yeah.
Oh, and it's got lace. You see the lace in the hood? That's a really nice hoodie.
Where's the lace? Where's the lace?
This is like lace. That's what it's called, like that material. It's lacy. All right, and so this is the trimmed hoodie fiery coral. $22.50 is the price. The keep all price is $15.75.
No.
And this is a pretty decent priced box. We may be keeping this whole box. Okay, and this is the seamless tank in Camellia Rose.
Do we
And
swim
it's
in that?
free. It doesn't have a price on it. This is $0. Okay. Nice. Oh, look at that pattern. Do you like the pattern of those leggings?
Yeah.
I like this box. This is my favorite Kidpik box so far. Okay, this is the zigzag diamond legging in fiery coral. So they've got a coral color scheme going on, and I like that. And the price is $17.50. The keep all price is $12.25. Look at that. That's pretty unique. I like that. And the last thing, oh, look at that skirt. Okay, a striped knit skirt. Okay, it's got the legging, well, the skirt part underneath. Oh my gosh, this is cute. The price is $12.50. Keep all price $8.75. So the whole box is $121.50 if you got everything together, but with the 30% discount, it's only $85.05. Oh wow! And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items for $85.05. What do you think? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. What was your favorite? Tell us what your favorite thing was that you got.
My shoes.
The shoes. I think those are pretty awesome too. We've been wanting. She usually gets boots, and I always send them back because I wanted sneakers, and we got sneakers this time.
Yay.
Yay! All right, so that was Kidpik. I really think we're gonna keep this whole box. Thank you so much, Kidpik.
You have to watch something on your phone, on your tablet, but watch our video.
Yeah, watch us on your tablet or on your phone, right?
Yeah, because that's the way it's supposed to. We do Kidpik every day, so watch out for our video because
exactly. And we do Kidpik and we do Kid Box.
Yeah.
And we do Rockets of Awesome, right?
Yeah, because watch out because me and my mom are gonna make a video for you.
Awesome. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.